So I got off work today and this baby was in the mail. Yes, sir. Tier 1 concealed holster for my P365xl. Magazine unloaded. Let me do that for you to snap on me. But this is a beauty. Okay, so let's go through semi-unboxing because I already opened it up. I got a slight video of that, but I got too excited, so I had to do another take. So in the box, it's gonna have Tier 1 on the front. I got 2 stickers, they came free. I guess I get 2 because I bought a shirt also. That shirt is pretty cool. The bag, they come with this little thin bag. I got the 1.5 inch wedge medium. Put on the back, try that out. I bought an extra cord to go with it just in case the one on there pop. I bought this was like $1. This was like $3 or $4. That was like $6. This was about $20, $24. And yeah, Loctite. But fresh out the box, she comes with a pretty good retention on it. This is for a P365xl. I got the carbon fiber, and it looks damn good. Can't argue with it one bit. Quality. Holster, the shock cord, the wedge, the t-shirt. Those stickers in that bag was free. So pretty much I paid for this, these 3, and the t-shirt, and that came out to about $200. I think it was an extra 20 for carbon fiber. This one is for the TLR7 sub and threaded barrel. I honestly think you can just get the TLR, not the TLR, yeah, you can just get the TLR7 sub, and I think the bottom may come open up, but I added on there that I was gonna have a threaded barrel, and so they did the rounded circle right here instead of a all the way open. Either way, I like this better anyway. So let's see. And I don't even have the TLR7 sub. So let's just look at the holster. Like I said, gun empty. This is the extended mag, so I ordered the one with the extended mag for the extension to be sitting lower. I got the high sweat guard, which I tried it on one time already. I highly recommend you get the high sweat guard with the P365xl being a smaller gun, because if you don't like it, you can cut it down in size and sand it off. That's what I've seen a lot of people saying, so I went ahead and went with that. But with the P365 being such a small gun, this really isn't high, so you can't argue with that. I need to go through and adjust these because it does sit kind of low on my belt. Also, I have the Core Essentials Garrison belt. This is a thick belt, sturdy. It's real durable. I've already had this for about 6 months before I even had the gun or the holster. You can see I got a little bit of wear right here on the edge, but for the most part, I can tell you, this belt is pretty sturdy. And all I have to do with this is I take a lighter and just burn the fray on it, and it does fine. It seems like it's so wide that when you go through here, through the buckle, it gets caught on this tip, and constantly having to push it down to get in there to fit. But other than that, I can't argue with the belt. I may go with a smaller size because this is more duty size versus an everyday great belt. I do wear it every day, but I would opt for the smaller size so it can fit in every single pair of pants I wear. Some jeans it don't fit in, some jeans it do. Most jeans it do, but I do have a couple pair of pants that it won't fit in. Anyway, back to the holster, which has me so excited. So let's just take a look around. Carbon fiber. This is red. Bungee cord. Hold up. Doing this from the cell phone. So you can see you got a nice flex on it. Got the stack on the wing here. And this is the TLR7 sub with the threaded barrel. Haven't seen any videos showing this. That's why I'm making this. Just a quick video to show you this. And to let you know that the retention on it without the TLR7 sub still holds. Because that was my issue and I couldn't find any direct answer anywhere. Just so you know, it does hold. And this is not making any adjustment. This is fresh out the box. Fresh out the box, no adjustments made, no light, no threaded barrel, and the retention is there. So, and I haven't made any adjustments. So when I make an adjustment on it, it'll be even tighter. And I'll get that audible click. Right now I don't have a click, but it does go in. Hard for me to do it with one hand, but you understand what I'm saying. What else? It's just a little Chinese Kershaw I got. Box opener. So excited. Can't wait to try this baby on. Let's do it. Also, I did try this shirt on. I got the large, and I am about 6 foot 185. Fairly slim, but still got a pudge. And I went too small. So the large kind of fit like a, for concealed carrying, I'd say go with the extra large if you're about my build. But this is a dope shirt, watch this. See what it says? Now, how cool of a carry shirt is that? Although you won't be showing everybody that, but those who will see you and see this, they'll know. Especially if you're a Tier 1 customer, you should know. Alright, that's it. I'll do a review or update. Also, it didn't come with tools. I was seeing reviews saying it came with tools. I mean, this is just standard screwdriver, but mine didn't come with anything. Not that I need anything, but it would have been nice. Had a little throwaway screwdriver to set with it. Anyway, not a make or break deal. Oh, magazine retention. Fresh out the box. It's not very tight, but I mean, if you just opening the box up and throwing it on and hauling ass, you'll get away with it. Cannot argue with that. All right, people, peace.